Hey everyone, Jason Weckerle here, along with my wife Michelle and my dorky brother Jesse with his beard. Look at that beard. Alright, we're gonna go fishing today and see if we can catch some smallmouth bass, panfish, pike, walleyes, catfish, carp, sheep's head, suckers, garfish, dogfish, whatever the heck bites in this river. If the river is too high and flooded after the recent rains we've got, we're gonna go try maybe a lake or a pond. It's just gonna be another video jumping around, showing you guys whatever we do, whatever works. Let's go catch some fish. I'm gonna start out the day today with a green pumpkin tube that I colored up with some garlic scented marker that was chartreuse green. You can see that right on the tail right here. Fish for some reason love the taste of garlic. Fish and humans are not too much different, are they? As you can see, I've pushed the hook up inside the tube jig to make it weedless and more snag resistant. Ooh, I just had a bite. We've had a lot of rain and high water lately, so these fish are gonna be pushed up shallow. Got one. Oh, I just had him. Oh man, I saw him too. That was a nice one. We've been here about 15 minutes. We've had a few bites, but haven't landed anything yet. It is hotter than blazes out here. Switching over to a keitech swim bait. I've been doing really good on this lure lately, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh, got one. There we go. Yeah. Nah. There we go. Smallmouth bass. That's what I'm looking for. Just swallowed it. Look at that. He was hungry. There we go. About a 11 incher. Not too bad. Throw him back. Alright, that was a start. We just got ourselves a smallmouth. First fish of the day. There's a lot of those cookie cutter little smallmouth in this river. Oop, oh, I just had another bite. I'm just slowly working that jig. You can see how slow I'm moving the reel handle. Ooh. Ooh. I just had a really nice smallmouth come right up the shore and miss my bait. I was just working it along the shoreline. Try it back over where I was, and then try to, right in here I wasn't getting that much muck.
Alright.
And that's how you get a person out of your fishing spot. So I broke my jig off before in a snag, so what I'm gonna do is tie on another one. I'm using 10-pound test fluorocarbon fishing line connected to 10-pound test Power Pro braid fishing line. It's braided fishing line. I'm connecting this jig to my fluorocarbon leader. I have about a 4-foot fluorocarbon leader tied with a blood knot or a back-to-back uni knot or an FG knot. I used a blood knot, it's the fastest. I tie 15 to 20 wraps with the braided side, and I tie 5 to 7 wraps with the leader, the fluorocarbon leader side when it comes to the blood knot. I'm gonna try this color keitech. Oh, got one. Yeah. There we go. That's a nice fish. Yeah, that's a nice one.
He's looking.
There we go. That's a better fish. There you go.
Smallmouth.
Catch and release. Oh, just had a nice hit. That one made the line jump. We have a tree right here blocking all this current, and it's kind of breaking the current up, creating little slack pools, and that's where these fish are hanging out. When you have high water, the fish are going to be tucked up against the shorelines and in the slack water behind boulders, trees, bridges. During low water conditions, you're going to find them in deep holes. And if it's a shallow river, even a deep hole could mean 2 to 3 feet. Got one. Oh, lost him. That's all right. It's the same size as the other one. Right now I'm trying a fathead minnow that I hooked through the top lips. Because I'm using a bobber, I like to hook them through the top lips so they can swim horizontal. If I'm not using a bobber and I'm dragging the minnow across the bottom, I tend to use the minnow hooked through the bottom lips so they can stay upright. Oh, got one. What is that? A crappie. Crappie. Yep. There we go. That's a nice one. That'll be dinner. I'm gonna go try a minnow right back over by this tree now. It's really nice catching a crappie, but we didn't get any more. My wife lost one earlier. So we got some deer tracks right here. Let's see. Right here. Walking all the way that way. Very cool. So we just got to this spot here now. There's absolutely just people fishing everywhere. Got one. Right away. There we go. That's a good start. Got one. Rock bass. There we go. I'll keep that. There we go. Jesse just got one. You got your tail bit off. Yep. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, got one. There we go. Yeah, these are nice. She went and got the strap system for the camera. Got one. Look at that. It's one after another. Filling up that pretty damn quick. Oh, got one. Woo! Little guy. Little bass. Right there. A baby. Oh. Oh. Oh, nice one, babe. Very nice. My wife just caught about a 13 and a half, 14 incher. Good job, babe. Hold it up for the camera. Very nice. Good job, babe. All right, here we are again. I just tied on a couple new lures because we broke off. We've been catching rot bass and smallmouth like crazy out of this shallow water. Nothing big though, but the rot bass are nice size, so we're gonna take those home and eat them. We're just kind of snaking the bait in and out of these rocks. And they're just hiding right behind them in the crevices. Whether it's a rot bass or a smallmouth, they both love these keitechs. Oh, got one. There we go. Little smallmouth. There we go. Little guy. There we go. Little smallmouth. Look at these little guys. Future 5-pounder. Oh. Look at that. Tiny. Hard to feel like you're killing them when they're only that big. There we go. A little bit bigger. That one's been caught before. Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a big one. Look at the size of that one. Wow. That's a honker. My wife's got a smallmouth down there. I got a rot bass. Look at that. That's a honker. What do we have so far? Look at all those. That's a good meal right there. So my wife just caught a smallmouth. I just caught a big honking rot bass. See if we can get another. Oh, I had him right away. There we go. Little rot bass. Too small. Too small. Maybe next year. There you go. Brother just got one. Smallmouth bass.
Bass. Add him to the basket. Not bad. And another one. I think I can totally picture that.
Got one. What do I got here? Smalley.
That was like mine I got down there. Yeah, I felt like that's where you caught and I was like trying to show you.
Smallmouth bass. There we go. Another one. Nope, another smalley. There we go. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to make these soft plastics stay on your jig a little bit better. You just take a bottle of Loctite super glue, professional liquid, and you put your jig like that right before you're about to push it. Load that all on there. There you go. Push it over that and just let it dry for a couple minutes and you'll be good to go. It'll help your soft plastic stay on your jig a lot better. So my wife just got another
Tangled in the line here.
rock bass here for the fish basket. So far we got
A lot.
a lot, yeah. We got a good amount. These will make do for sure. It'll be dark out soon. There we go. Little rock bass. I'll throw that one in the basket too. I can get a fillet off of him. Damn, that one's pregnant. Want to help me move the stuff down there?
Sure.
Are you guys getting a lot of bites?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right.
Got another one. A little smaller, but works. Oh,
Voila! This one was given to me by a nice man. Look how fat.
fatty butt. Twinnies.
Yep. Oh, there we go. Little guy. Smallmouth. Thought that was a rock bass at first. What's weird is I've caught a lot of nice smallmouth on this river, but I never get nice ones at this dam for some reason. Always little ones. You what?
Lost the walleye.
Did you? Brother says he lost a walleye. That sucks. Oh, got one. There we go. That's fighting harder. Yeah. Wow. Smalley. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. He knew his way home.
Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Aw,
Where is it?
he's so little. I know, right? He's like as big as the lure. Aw. Look at him. He's so cute. There we go. Another rock bass.
I just missed a nice bite. Oh, there we go. There he is. What do I got here? Smallmouth. It's funny when some of the rock bass we caught today were bigger than the smallmouths. Hey kitty, how are you? Hello. Aw, glad to be back home. Look at you. Aw. Alright folks, we're back home, unpacked, settled in. I set these fish up so I can take a couple photos before butchering them. But I got my electric flay knife. I use that when I have big batches of fish, like white bass, rock bass, panfish. I don't normally use it with panfish like bluegills or crappies, just because unless they're big enough, you can slip really easy and cut right through them. But these fish right here, you don't tend to get a lot of belly meat on their fillet. So like a white bass and a rock bass, you really don't get belly meat at all like you can off of a crappie or a bluegill. But that makes it perfect for an electric fillet knife because you can just get right through them quicker. I'm probably gonna fry these up tonight for dinner, but it was absolutely a blast catching these fish. We could have kept a lot more. We actually caught a lot more than we even got on video too. So our GoPro batteries died and we didn't have enough extras with us at the time, but that's alright. You guys seen plenty of fish caught. But these are some big honking rock bass. I mean, you see my hand right here, and those are huge. I mean, man, oh man. Look at that. Backs on them. A lot of people give us really funny looks when we're keeping these fish. I've never understood why, but I think it's because they've never tried them. They've heard bad things about them. I really think the DNR needs to start putting limits on them, though. I don't see why we don't manage them like any other panfish. I know in some lakes they overpopulate. Just raise the limit a little higher on those lakes. I hope that you like and subscribe to my page if you haven't already. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Good luck fishing.